Changing the language in the Twitter app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust your language settings. Step 1. Open the Twitter app. Launch the Twitter app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen to open the navigation menu. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the menu and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize various aspects of your account. Step 4. Select Accessibility, Display, and Languages. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section contains options related to the appearance and language of the app. Step 5. Change language. Under the Languages section, tap on Language. Choose your preferred language from the list provided. Once selected, the app will automatically update to reflect the new language setting. After following these steps, your Twitter app will display content in the language you selected. Enjoy tweeting in your preferred language.